Welcome back, everyone, to the Cobra Trading Channel. Today we have a very special day because we have a special guest. We have Evan Schunk, who is a day trader, and he's going to be talking about when data turns against you. So Evan, welcome, man.
Thank you. As always, it's always great to be here, Alex. I want to start off just with how it is in the beginning when you're starting this journey, and you have no idea what you're doing, and you're literally searching for your edge is what you really need to do, is what you're looking for, but you need to build a knowledge account. And you're not sure which way you're going to go, but just concentrate on your studies and studying different traders. You can't concentrate on one, but study multiple traders and build your knowledge account. That's incredibly important. And only when you study multiple different traders and strategies will you start finding your own. It's something will click for you, the type of trading style that you will choose to let, I guess, overcome you. And only then will you find the trading style that will fit your personality. For me, it was that I studied data-driven traders, and I can't express how much that just connected for me. I needed to read and see the probabilities on paper that I was dealing with. I needed to see exactly the entries and exits I was looking for. They gave me the best odds and statistics of succeeding. And that came through manually tracking data off multiple variables of each pattern on the stock that given day. And that was it for me. After that, I can go into the biggest learning lesson is that I've learned is that data changes. And staying on top of that is difficult. If you could just predict when data is going to change one year, I mean, you'd be a millionaire because you could just predict anything. No, sorry, you'd be a billionaire because it'd be insane. And what I've learned is that you can't just predict that. You're going to go through downtrends. Your system is going to meet some sort of like, oh my gosh, I'm losing a lot of money. And that happens, especially for every system data-driven trader. And for me, I've learned through that experience is that the most important variable now that I concentrate when I test my patterns, when I test my data, is actually time. 1 year, 2 years, 3 years of data is not enough for me anymore. It used to be. I mean, until I met 2022. And then it rocked me a bit. I'm not negative, and I'm not really profitable. It's been a pretty whatever year for me. And so now I've learned through going through Polygon, which is through coding, actually. And there's an edge. If you learn how to code, look, those traders have an edge, the ones that know how to code. I personally don't know how to code, but I have a team of experienced people that do know how to code. And we work well together because I have the experience of trading and they don't, but they know how to code. And what I've learned is I can dig through the market of 7-10 years of data. And that is now what I look for to find a pattern that can beat the test of time, that is consistently working with a large sample size. And for me, I need at least 150. That has been my biggest learning lesson for me in the past this past year.
Well, look, Evan, we appreciate so much having you on the show. And everybody, you just need to understand everything he just said about history and going through different cycles. I'm a new trader myself in terms of the realm of trading. And I can tell you this, 100% agree with you. 2022 has been the rockiest year for tons of traders, including myself, where it's been tough. Things have changed, things have evolved. Patterns that have been so easy for me, for small caps, are no longer as easy as they were. So thank you so much for sharing that, especially from your perspective of data-driven. And again, make sure you guys reach out if you have any questions. Check us out at cobratrading.com. Thanks.